Welcome to Hannah and Ellie's Happy World.
Hi kids! Welcome to Hannah and Ellie's Happy World. Today we are going to open this Barbie Cutie review. Let's get open it. Okay, so you pull here. Pull. Okay, put it here. Open it. Yes. Pull it out. Pull it out. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got such a cute sheet. I found it. It's here. It says here you will transform into this Barbie girl. Let's see. Take out all the 6 surprises.
How many surprises?
Count this one. This is not one. This is 2. 3. Now open it. Like this. Hold here. Pull. Okay, let's see what you get in this here. We got a skirt. Oh, did it up? What's this? Show them. You got a cutie mini sheet. Now that one, peel it out. Open it. Good girl. Put your hand in and take it out. We got shoes, a pair of shoes. Okay, put the shoes on.
Where's the Barbie? Take it out
Please,
first.
no. Take it out. Okay. Wow, look at this. Ta-da!
It's a costume.
Lisa, pull this out. This is so cool. This is the Barbie. This is a Barbie girl. Now you can take out the shoes and change them, right? To those. But those high heels. They're high heels. High heels. But those look small. Yeah, because her feet is small. Okay, now pull out this one. Yeah, you did it. Now put the shoes in. Where's the other one? Okay, hold it. Put it in. Oh yeah. Safely is small. Okay, now put it in your mouth. It's right. Okay, now you put the skirt. This happened. Okay, now put the skirt in like this. Now it's her skirt. Okay, hold the Barbie. Hold the Barbie. Okay, go in. Go in. Go in. It's her skirt. Barbie got skirt like her. Then pull it up. Her concert one. She going for a concert. Say hi. Hi. Cutie. She's so cute. Let's see the collector's card. Elisa, let's check what's her name.
Mama, you can give a name.
Okay.
What's
Why
her name?
give her this? Give her a name. What's this? What's the other shoe? No. What's this? I think they give it
For her hand? No, this is for the sheep.
the
sheep for the hand.
sheep.
Hand.
Okay, now look. It says here, if you put the mini one, where's the mini sheep, in hot water, it'll be this. If you put it in cold water, the eyes will open.
And
Then
then,
here, you can put it here. Look, like it's a mini house. What's happening? What's happening? Let's try it out now. Here, you can read it. Let's go and get some cold water. Sorry, bye. Okay, guys, now we're gonna put the thing in. Okay, Elisa, you put it in. Put it. Whoa! Wow, so hot. Okay, let's take it. Oopsies, too. Wow, look at the eyes. It opened. Let's try it again. Now we make it. Okay, here. Oh no, it's closed back again. Look. Okay, now it's my turn.
you cannot do this with the eyes.
I can put the holders now.
Put it here.
Sister, can I have another book to put my hand inside the cold water too?
Yes, you
Can I? You can't really see it Or maybe it's not that cold. And then you can just roll it. Oh, there's a heart in it.
cannot focus.
Try again. Can
There,
I?
there, Lisa.
You put it in. Not too hard. Okay, put your hand in. Take it out. Oh no! Oh no! It's okay. Spill some. always happen. Yeah, just now you also spill a little bit. Just now you also spill a little bit, right? Just you come here, let me see. Yeah, just now you also spill a little bit. Yeah, it's okay. So this we'll put it in. Okay, I can see the eyes. I can see the eyes. Look, it opened its eyes. Okay, now I'm gonna wipe it off. Yeah, I even did it. Now,
Let Ali do.
oh, it's okay. Let's just
Water. Come, take it out.
go.
Take it out.
Sorry, I need to go.
It's okay.
Fine.
Come, show me.
A little bit.
Not that cold. You need really cold water.
Yeah, let me go and try under the tap. Come on, follow me. Yeah, and look, take it back up. Take it back up.